The CTL-25A CNC wet abrasive tube cut-to-length machine is precision engineered for cutting hard metals including mild steel, stainless, and other alloys. Built for production, the CTL-25A features a laser sensor with automatic wear compensation, a servo-driven feed-to-length system, and automatic loading for seamless throughput. Its digital touch control makes programming fast and simple, while adjustable flood coolant keeps cuts clean and tools cool. Universal clamp jaws ensure secure holding, and you can unload to an optional offload table for smooth part flow. With built-in safety features and optional magazine or hopper feeds, the CTL-25A adapts to your shop's needs. Software upgrades are also available to boost efficiency. Proudly designed and manufactured in the USA, Winton Machine has been delivering engineered solutions since 1998. Want to find out what we can do for you? Call 1-888-321-1499 today. Or subscribe for more tube fabrication solutions. Got questions? Leave us a comment below. If you want to see more American-made tube fabrication videos, watch one of these additional videos.